The Monroe County Health Department is anticipating a surge in testing needs as we head back to school, and leaders are working with districts and healthcare systems to meet that high demand. Atia Collins has more on this now.
When it comes to back to school, Dr. Michael Mendoza says he is very comfortable with our back to school plans, but he says there are still steps both the county health department and districts need to take in order to protect families and students from a potential outbreak.
I do think, though, that we are safe to reopen schools, largely because we have a low prevalence.
Students who have COVID symptoms will be required to show symptom resolution, a note from a healthcare provider, and a negative COVID test. The health department estimates about 1,000 additional COVID tests are needed a day in order to accommodate these guidelines.
We do have somewhat of a deadline. We want to try to increase capacity for testing by the time schools open. Our largest provider of test capacity is our healthcare system, so the University of Rochester Medical Center and Rochester Regional. So we've been in meetings with them.
At a distribution of protective equipment for schools, County Executive Adam Bello echoed the same concerns.
We are working with the medical systems to expand that testing capacity to be able to meet that need. But this is something that, schools are going to have to work through, and parents is going to impact parents as well, who are going to have to stay home.
Right now, around 0.8% of COVID-19 tests are positive in Monroe County. And that is the number county health department officials will be watching as schools reopen.
If we're at the point where we're seeing more cases of what we call community transmission, meaning cases that we're not able to explain through contact tracing or through existing cases, that will make me more nervous.
Now, Dr. Mendoza did say the county's contact tracing capacity is just fine, and they are still working on preventing an outbreak, but being prepared in the event does one occur. Reporting in Rochester, Atia Collins, News 8.
Atia, thank you. Dr. Mendoza also talked about low-risk sports today, saying while he is okay with sports reopening, he would like to see it done on a smaller scale. So if a positive test were to be found, contact tracing could be more effective.